Time to bring in David Gregory in our panel for some more fireworks. David.
We're thinking about the Republicans and this question panel of what does Mike Huckabee want from John McCain if he stays in this race. I had a chance to talk to Huckabee earlier today. He was on the phone here on MSNBC. This is what he said to that question.
I'd like to see him support the Human Life Amendment, for one. I'd like to see him reject human embryonic stem cell research, to be really, truly pro-life all the way. I'd certainly like to know that we could work on getting rid of McCain-Feingold. It's one of the worst things that's ever happened to election law in this country.
Pat Buchanan, Mike Huckabee to John McCain, start running on my platform.
Mike Huckabee's running to be Mr. Conservative in the Republican Party, and the longer he goes on, the less likely, because of McCain's personality, that he will be picked as vice president. I credit Mike Huckabee if he's doing this. You never stop and try to appease the guy. Go out, get as much strength, win as many contests as you can. I think he's going to go right on through. What he's done now is he's eclipsed Mitt Romney, who dropped out of the race. He's the remainder man. He's getting all the anti-McCain votes, and there are a lot of them out there. I'm astonished, however, in Virginia, where you got Warner and the two former governors, and George Allen endorsed McCain. He's been down there. Huckabee just shows up. He's running in a dead heat in Virginia. It shows you the depth of hostility among conservatives and Republicans to the idea of a McCain nomination. McCain won it initially, frankly, by, clever scheduling and the right people running in various campaigns.
But when does it get old? When does the party say enough? You're a clear number two, enough.
I think John McCain says enough when you ask McCain to go back on McCain-Feingold. I mean, that's really in your face to John McCain.
This is what McCain ought to be running
that
on.
list of particulars.
You tell the party where to go if you're running to be the leader.
But with that, you're not going to have any impact on John McCain, though?
Well, forget McCain. Look, if you're running for this thing yourself and somebody calls you up, you forget the phone calls. You run as hard as you can, pay no attention to him.
I feel like what Mike Huckabee is trying to get from John McCain here is John McCain's head. If he wins Virginia, and that means that, as Tim just said, if that means that McCain cannot lock this up, he cannot ascend until May 6th.
May 6th.
3 months of hell he's about to put the Republican Party
no.
He's playing for keeps.
You don't want to take his head, though. You don't want to be responsible for the defeat. Once Huckabee drops out and this thing is over in May, he steps up there, he endorses McCain, he asks for nothing but a speech at the convention, he endorses him strongly. All this will be in the past. You don't want to take McCain down if you want to be the leader of the party.
But is it realistic to ask John McCain to take parts of your platform? John McCain is not going to pander to the right. He did that once and it didn't work.
He's not going to do it.
He's not going to do it. He shouldn't do it.
He knows the right won't come around to him no matter what he does.
What's going to bring the right around to McCain is Hillary Clinton or Barack Obama. It ain't John McCain.
Yeah, what's going to be really interesting to watch here is if Huckabee wins Virginia tonight and the right wing continues, as you were saying, Pat, to be incredibly gleeful over the pain and humiliation of John McCain. Is there a chance that that pain, that John McCain pain is exciting to them as the prospect of supporting Mike Huckabee? Will they get behind Huckabee? So far, the right-wing talk show hosts haven't.
Well, I think the right-wing talk show hosts will be delighted with what is happening in Virginia. Paul Weyrich did. I mean, I had a column, I may be a minor figure, but I had a column today saying, stay in there, stay in there.
But you're staying in there to hurt McCain, not because you like Huckabee.
I want McCain to raise it. Look, the Republican establishment has brought this party to where it's 30% now. They forced NAFTA down our throats, taxes down our throats. The party went along. That's why the party's in trouble. It went along with the establishment.
But what's the end game? When do you call all this off? Or do you pull the trigger?
You fight as hard as you can and the longer you can. And when McCain's got it, then you shut it down.
There you go. The final word from the diminutive Pat Buchanan. Gentlemen.
I think Pat's going to fight for his party block by block.
Yeah,
anyway, David Gregory and the Pat at the U.